Okay, so welcome back everybody. In this video I'm going to show you a secret how you can make between 1 and 2% per day on elephant money. Yes, it's a secret what nobody know except me, maybe a few other people. Okay, so let's go. Before we go anywhere, remember, I'm not your mama and papa, which means I'm not giving you any financial advice. Do not put more money you can afford to lose. This is crypto and you can lose everything, okay? This video is for education and entertainment purposes only. Now, my next video for elephant money probably will be in a couple of months because I'm going very soon to India to visit these kids. Please watch any of my video for donations. It's called More You Give, More You Receive. I'm the only YouTuber who is making and helping poor people in Philippines, India, and Africa. All right, so nobody else is doing, everybody just buying a Lambo. Okay, so let's go and let's talk about my top favorite, what's called elephant money. I cannot make a go and don't do a video, and need to tell you the secret how you can make between 1 and 2% a day elephant money. Okay, every single day. Now, nothing here is guaranteed. Now, before we go for the elephant money, okay, why I am very bullish, go and check BSC scan, right? Type here BNB, okay? For BNB is going to be open, wrap BNB, so WBNB. This is how many holders they are. Go on the scan, go to holders and check this out. Elephant money is number 2. Elephant money is number 2 by holding BNB in liquidity from everything. This one here probably is Binance Chain. 76,000. Last time when I did the video, it was just before number 3. Okay, number 2, sorry. It was right here, number 3. It was around 71,000. Now it's 76,000. Just smash number 2 and now number 3, and now it's number 2. Don't be surprised by Christmas time to see this one number 1. If this don't catch up for CZ, I don't know what is going to catch up. Now, elephant money, it's a full ecosystem, okay? If you never watched my video, I did full couple of AMAs, 3 to be precisely, for futures. And you can go and see what's futures, what's elephant, and unlimited. That is the NFTs, okay? Now, okay, so it's a little bit updated. Okay, so that's cool. It's an updated website. Okay, we're missing a couple of things. Okay, so this is right here. If you go to the top right, if you want here, futures, unlimited, trumpet, so that's the other one. However, they putting a lot of things here for the futures and elephant money and unlimited. That's the NFT. Every NFT at the moment costs 1 BNB. Now remember, while the first NFT are sold, the first batch of 10,000, the price will double to 2 NFT. When the second batch is sold, they will double to 4 BNB. So first one is 1 BNB, second one will be 2 BNB, the third one will be 4 BNB, and so on and so on. Now futures, you can earn up to 0.5%, not up to, it's 0.5% on your BUSD. Now let's go back to the elephant money. So that's why I'm here, okay? Why I'm so bullish. Okay, if you go to CoinGecko, you will see that elephant money is, look, it's green, 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 green. So how you can earn between 1 and 2% a day, this is the secret. You buy the token and you hold. Simple as that. Why? Because if you compare the price in the last 24 hours, 1.5% a day. In the last 7 days, 13% per day, so that's almost 2% 13% for 7 days, almost 2% per day. If you go for 2 weeks, went 26%, that's almost double again, 2% a day. If you go for 30 days, 1% a day. 1 year, 220%. If you go 90 days, let's see 90 days. 90 days, we have 31%, sorry, 90 days. Oh, there we go, 90 days. So 90 days right here, the price was 0.148 and it's 28, so you double the money in 90 days pretty much. Okay, it's crazy, guys, it's crazy. So basically, if you see the historically for the last 90 days, 100 days, the price is going approximately 1% per day like natural, you know, it's all organic. It's not like some big whales just buying like crazy. This is all of us, you know, people who buying and holding. Why? Because we all waiting for the supply shock. Okay, what supply shock can do, everybody expecting for this thing. So this was happened last time when supply shock happened. The price skyrocketed around 10-15x in a matter of 40-50 days. Let's give it 2 months. So now if you see the price going up and up and up, okay, the supply shock started. Hopefully, I think has been slowly starting, but everybody's saying can take up to a couple of months. I give a go up to Christmas time. So Christmas time for everybody who is holding elephant money token can be a very big Christmas. Again, nothing here is guaranteed, nothing is financial advice. I'm just sharing my own opinion and my thoughts. I really love elephant money and I trust the team. By the way, they are Telegram group. It's so amazing. All right, so go there, chat, ask the question. People are so helpful. Be careful, all shitty scammers who are in every single Telegram group. Report and ban. Okay, so that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. That's my own opinion how you can make 1% a day. I'm happy I got around 0.16 basically, around right here. Okay, and now very soon I will almost double my money in about 2 weeks. By 1st of September I believe this will be around 32, so hopefully I will double my money by then, maybe even after maybe 4 weeks time. But hey, who knows, I'm here for the long run. All right, thank you so much. God bless, stay positive, stay tuned, go and help somebody. See you next time.